Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. In today's episode, we're diving into the Apple Earbuds with Lightning connector, certified by Apple themselves. We'll cover the product features, compatibility, user experiences, and our final verdict. Let's get started. Wired Bluetooth headset. These earbuds require an initial Bluetooth pairing, making it easy to connect in subsequent uses within 2 to 8 seconds. Excellent compatibility. Compatible with a wide range of Apple devices, including the latest iPhone models like the iPhone 14, thanks to the built-in decoding chip. 3. Perfect sound quality. Engineered speakers deliver natural, clear, and bass-enhanced sound, promising an enjoyable audio experience. Special remote and microphone. The inline remote control allows you to adjust volume, playback, and manage calls effortlessly. While the product sounds promising, it's essential to consider user feedback. Some customers reported issues with sound quality, with volume fluctuations and distortion. A few users found the initial Bluetooth pairing process confusing. There were concerns about the durability of the earbuds, with reports of them breaking within a short period. Complaints about microphone quality and call connectivity issues were noted as well. The Apple Earbuds with Lightning connector offer compatibility with a wide range of Apple devices and promise good sound quality. However, user feedback indicates some issues with sound quality, durability, and microphone performance. Considering the price point, these earbuds might not be the best choice for those seeking a reliable and long-lasting audio solution for their Apple devices. That wraps up our review of the Apple Earbuds with Lightning connector. Remember to do your research and consider user feedback before making your purchase decision. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in.